Welcome. If you've ever found yourself distracted by constant account suggestion notifications on Instagram while using your PC, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off those notifications with the latest Instagram update, so you can enjoy a cleaner, more focused browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it. A menu will pop up with more options. From here, select Settings. This will open up a new page where you can manage all your Instagram preferences. On the Settings page, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This will take you to the Notifications Management section. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see several categories. What we want is Push Notifications. Click on that to open the Push Notifications settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Suggestions. This is where Instagram sends you notifications recommending new accounts to follow, which can get pretty annoying if you're not interested. To turn these off, simply choose the Off option next to Account Suggestions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for account suggestions on Instagram from your PC. No more unnecessary interruptions or suggestions cluttering your notifications. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to these settings and turn the notifications back on. Taking control of your notifications is a great way to make your Instagram experience more enjoyable and less distracting. Thanks for following along. For more simple tech tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other guides. Enjoy your quieter Instagram feed.